What if human were evolve on Europa? Europa is one of the moons of Jupiter and is covered in a thick layer of ice with an ocean of liquid water underneath. If humans were to evolve on Europa, they would have to adapt to the extreme environment of this icy moon. Firstly, the lack of atmosphere on Europa means that any life forms that evolve there would have to develop ways of protecting themselves from radiation. They would also need to be able to survive in very cold temperatures, which can drop to -260 degrees Fahrenheit, -160 degrees Celsius, on the surface. Therefore, they may have evolved to have thick fur or layers of blubber to keep warm. The lack of sunlight reaching the surface of Europa would also mean that any life forms that evolve there would have to find alternative sources of energy. This could be in the form of chemosynthesis, where organisms use chemicals in their environment to produce energy, rather than relying on photosynthesis like plants on Earth. If humans were to evolve on Europa, they may have developed different physical features to adapt to the environment, such as large eyes to see in the dim light or longer limbs to move more easily on the icy surface. They would also likely have developed advanced technology to explore their environment and communicate with each other, given the challenges of living in such a harsh environment. Overall, it is difficult to predict exactly how humans would evolve on Europa, as the environment is vastly different from Earth. However, it is likely that they would have developed unique adaptations to survive and thrive in this extreme environment.